We'll guide you through how to edit pictures with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, you'll need to enable the image editing plugin. You can do this by navigating to the settings section, usually found in the lower right corner under your profile icon. Look for the plugins or extensions tab and search for the image editing plugin. Once found, click to install and enable it. Now you're ready to start editing. Upload the picture you want to edit by clicking on the upload button, which is typically represented by a cloud icon with an arrow. After your image is uploaded, ChatGPT will display several options for editing. You can adjust brightness, contrast, or crop the image by selecting the respective tools displayed on the sidebar. If you want to get more creative, you can use AI-powered filters or effects. Simply choose from the list of effects and select the one you like. ChatGPT will apply it to your image in real time. You can also add text or annotations by selecting the text tool. Type in your desired text and position it where you want on the image. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click the Save button to download the edited image back to your computer. It's that simple. Now you have a beautifully edited picture, all thanks to ChatGPT's intuitive tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.